Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful to be sharing this mashup with you. I thought it would be fun to just kind of mash up some of the video card tutorials that I've done over the last couple months for my Today and Always release with Gina K Designs and share them with you. And I will also provide the links down below to all of the tutorial videos that are related to the Today and Always stamp set. But this quick little video, not quite a tutorial, but a really fun compilation of all the projects and inspiration that I've shared with the Today and Always stamp set. So I'm excited to pop in today and just kind of share this with you, and thank you for your support, and also encourage you to double back and watch all of my card tutorials for inspiration. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back next week with a new tutorial.